Yo! Today is gonna be an epic FPV day. First I'm gonna go meet up some fellow FPVers and we're gonna do some freestyle bashing. And later today I'm gonna go meet up a guy that rides super moto and does like wheelies and stuff. So I hope that's gonna be epic, but that's later. First we're gonna go freestyle bashing. Let's see if we can do some nice tricks. Let's go! Boom! We are here. Let's fly. Got the crew going, freestyle bashing in the works. How are the props looking? I think it's okay. You don't need to change that. That last bit doesn't mean anything anyway. Let's fly. Maybe it's time to change props now. Fresh props, let's go. Okay, mission 1 completed, freestyle bashing. Now we go home, reload, pack all the stuff, pack some new batteries and let's meet up with the supermoto guy. See if we can make some cinematic magic. From freestyle bashing to cinematic magic. Let's go. Okay, so I switched the bag up, took out the basher, and now I got this same frame and everything, but with the GoPro mount and clean props. I keep this one a little bit
unabashed. The other one crashes a lot, but this one I try to keep clean, so I know it's working when you want to do the fine maneuvers. And then I'm bringing the little Cinewhoop, see if we can do some magic with that one. So time to head out, see if we can get some cool shots with the Supermoto. Let's go. Go. Go.
I think I found the guys. I can hear the bikes.
Go.
I didn't know where to go at first, but now I'm going there. What's up, man? Okay, I found the gang here. We're gonna try to do some nice moves. They're just gonna drive around and I'm gonna try to film them a little bit. Let's see how it goes.
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a bitch, nigga exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Niggas get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to dodge shells before it landing our tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, they been scheming. When the birth of a nation came from black niggas seeming. We all know it's black nigga genius. Everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience.
Hold on, my nigga. You talking way too much conscious shit. Nobody wanna hear that shit. Nigga, speak about some hoes or some money or shit. Nigga, I don't wanna hear that shit. Nigga, I'm not saying don't rap how you rap, my nigga, but make some shit we can vibe to.
Sounded like a real nigga anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think a nigga answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Tryna get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick on the bitch, unless the bitch is my bitch with a kiss on my lips like, I am not a pimp with a limp, I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing my shit like, Tell them other niggas I'm the nigga, I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt, nigga. I'm 100 steps ahead, that's a lot of mouth, nigga. That's
yo, that was fucking dope, yo. These guys can do some wheelies. I'm impressed. It was kind of hard chasing them actually, because when they move forward and you try to orbit, they move so far before you complete the orbit. So when you come around, they are already over here. So you do like an oval around them. But it was super fun. The sun was pretty nice. I think I got some nice shots. So I'm gonna end it there. Until next time. Peace. Oh.